Hi, this is Kathy with Kathy's Farmhouse Bakery. As you recall, we made some granola and we made some pie filling. Here's that art of manipulation that you can use. Some different ways that you can use these recipes for more than just what it says. So with the granola, as you recall, I didn't put anything in it at the time. You can put any kind of dehydrated fruit in it. You got your raisins, your craisins, blueberries, cherries, peaches, and strawberries. Now, if you're looking at the cherries, the peaches, or the strawberries, I would dice them up just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead for this granola cereal, and I'm going to put some blueberries in. Okay? And we'll mix that up just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and add a little milk. There you go. There's some granola cereal with blueberries. Now, you're wondering, well, you didn't put anything into that granola. You're correct. I didn't put any of the fruit in because, as I said, I like to make yogurt parfaits. That I use my granola that I make and the pie filling. In this case, this is the raspberry pie filling. Now, what I like to do, I like to use the plain Greek yogurt. Why? It has less sugar. I get the sugar from my pie filling. So I'm going to go ahead and, let's see, first time using this container, so I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit, whatever you like, however much or as little as you like. Okay? So I've got the yogurt. Now I'm going to go ahead and maybe a spoonful like this. I'll put that on. Okay? And at the same time, I've got my granola in a container. You could put it all, you could put a little, whatever your heart's desire. Okay? So now I have a yogurt parfait, a raspberry yogurt parfait. We mix it all up. Let's try some of that. Perfect. Now, to that pie filling. Okay. Your fruits like your blackberry, the raspberry, the ones that are a little bit more fragile, they're going to end up looking more like pie gel only. A couple different ways that you can use this. One, I blind bake a pastry crust. I could take this entire amount of pie filling, fill that crust, and then top it with some raspberries. Raspberry pie. Or what I like to do, because even the larger graham cracker, I like these little tartlets. I'm going to take some of it. Okay. I'm going to fill it like that. Add a couple raspberries into it. And now I have a raspberry pie. And there's enough in here to make 6 of those. But I'm also going to go ahead and put some in a container. Maybe I'll use it later on for something else that needs some pie filling. So I have it all filled and it's ready to go for the next time I need to use it. So what do you think? Shoot me some comments. Let me know what you think about the different ways that these recipes could be used. Now, and thank you. Thank you so much for watching. This is new and there will be plenty more videos after this. This is Kathy with Kathy's Farmhouse Bakery. Hit that bell so you can find out when the next video comes up. Subscribe. Let me know what's going on. Thanks.